we are back in Cebu!
Get up on stage, Justin Pinion. Switzerland. Land. Hindi na ganyan yung asawa ko sa akin. What is the name? B.
What is the science nickname? Lavender years
And now, I would like to welcome you all to our lecture. Alright, excited na ba kayo? And just like that, we are back in Cebu! Grabe, parang 2 weeks ago lang nandito ako, no? Pero nandito tayo ulit dahil in-invite tayo mag-perform sa isang corporate event. Shout out nga pala sa ProLife. Thank you for inviting me, and of course sa Pocket Rocket, maraming salamat sa tiwala. Excited na ako mag-perform bukas. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Radisson Blu. Dito tayo chinek-in ng mga client natin. Grabe, mahal na mahal talaga tayo ng mga kliyente natin tuwing nag-out of town. Sinisigurado nila na sa magandang hotel tayo i-check-in, tsaka komportable tayo. Thank you very much, Pocket Rocket, ha. Since dito na tayo sa Radisson, edi unahin na natin to. Mag-room tour na tayo. Okay? Tara! Sa totoo lang, kakapasok ko lang din sa room na to, kaya hindi ko pa nakikita kung anong meron dito, kaya sabay-sabay natin tignan. So, umpisahan kaya natin dun sa door. Alright, so pagpasok natin, ito ang bubungad. CR dito. Hi! Tingnan mo natin yung CR. Ganda ng shower, pwede. Alright. And ito yung toilet. And, yun, ano meron dito? Parang may, ito yung cabinet. Okay. Ooh! Walk-in closet. Nice. Tingnan natin sa loob. So, ano makikita natin dito sa walk-in closet? Siyempre, may mga shelves and all. And pwede natin i-hanger dito. Nice, may planchahan. So, mapaplansya ko yung susuotin ko bukas. And, ito, extra pillows yata to, no? Wow, ah. Tuwa ako dito sa walk-in closet na to. Next is ito na, ang bed. And ito yung ref. Ooh. Yan. Ito yung ref. And ano naman ito? Nandito yung mga coffee and all. Yung mga tea and kettle. And nandito yung TV. And meron desk. Wow, may office. So, pwede tayo mag-work dyan mamaya. And dito ako nakaupo kanina. May lamp. Nice. Ganda, no? So, ayun, ang room tour natin. Quick lang talaga kasi anong oras na din, no? Nakarating ako actually mga 10 na dahil na-delay yung flight. Dapat maaga-aga pa tayo ng konti. Kaya ang gagawin na lang natin magpapahinga ng konti, freshen up, and enjoy natin tong bed na to. Kita-kita tayo bukas sa show, ha. Medyo maaga yung show natin bukas. Ang call time ko, 7 a.m. So, hindi natin alam kung makakapag-breakfast buffet pa ba tayo. Subukan natin. Ang bala ko magising ako ng 5, maliligo ako, breakfast, bihis. 'Di ba? Para mapakita ko sa inyo yung venue na wala pang tao at makita ninyo yung behind the scenes ng aking trabaho, ng aking ginagawa bilang isang corporate events mentalist. Okay, so papakita ko sa inyo yung venue bukas at kung ano yung mangyayari at kung ano ipo-perform ko. Alright? So, see you tomorrow. Good night!
The next day.
Good morning! It's almost 6 a.m. and maaga kasi yung call time natin ngayon, 7 o'clock. Pero naligo ako na maaga at bababa tayo para kumain ng breakfast. Tara, samahan niyo ako.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems.
This is gonna be my personal favorite because I need 3 ladies in the room tonight. Guaranteed to wow all of us this morning. Please welcome our award-winning mentalist, a public speaker known as a mental assassin. Very interesting person. Get up on stage, Justin Pinion.
Julian, now the question is, where is your
Dream destination.
dream destination? So think of this destination over and over again. Think of it, imagine mo na parang pupuntahan mo na siya doon. Ooh, interesting. Parang na-imagine mo, malamig. Malamig ba dito? Parang giniginaw ka. You can see white and green. Think of the first letter. Think of the first letter of your destination. Yes, na, sabi ko sa inyo, I can read body language. So yung lips na parang gumalaw ng konti. It's like you're gonna say the letter S.
Alam ko to!
Tama ba? S?
Alam ko to, Sulu!
Sulu. Think of this word over and over again. Yung then, parang mahaba eh. Mahaba ba to?
Siargao!
S. Imagine mo na nandito ka na ngayon.
Somalia! Ganun, Somalia.
Alright.
Sursugon! Sursugon!
Sam, I'm going to ask you to hold this for me.
Okay.
Dito ka sa side na to. Now, since this is a game,
Ah.
if I say show it to them, syempre kikembot ka pag pinakita mo sa
Kasali
kanila.
ako.
Kasali ka. Okay. Tama ba yung spelling ko? Para makita sa kanila. Tama ba yung spelling ko?
Tama naman.
For the first time, loud and clear. Ano
Para
yung
masama tingin niya
destination-
sa'yo.
Ano yung destination na gusto mong puntahan? Yes, sabihin mo.
Teka.
Sa mic.
Switzerland.
Switzerland!
Is it Switzerland? Switzerland!
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Ba-
Next.
Bakit Switzerland? Maganda, malamig. Diba? Buhay naman love life mo pa. Ang aking love. Ito, question number 2. Maganda to.
What was your question again, ma'am?
Sino who broke her heart? Joke lang. Ano yan? Question for Madam. Anong business? What business do you
Ooh.
want if you're gonna start a business?
Alright, so you are thinking of your future business, right?
Guaranteed yung sagot mo sa kanya. Guaranteed.
Okay, think of this business over and over again na gusto mong mangyari. Parang, uy,
Parang alam ko na.
papunta ka sa...
Salon.
Think of this place. Parang, hindi ko alam kung place. Parang malawak, malaki. Yes? Think of the letter over and over again. First letter muna. I'll go with the F.
Oy!
Yes?
Physical therapist.
Feeling ko. Don't show them yet.
Ayan, sige.
Ganun ulit?
Ganun ulit.
Okay. What is your future plans? Ano yung future, ano mo?
I was trying to trick you over and I was
Okay.
trying to think about Brew 1, and
Okay.
I still get it right. It's farming.
Farming!
Farming is correct. Guaranteed, ha?
Last.
Grabe. 2 out of 2. Okay. Itong pangatlo, pare, medyo mahirap, no? Because when we do for the third, you don't even know the question.
No.
You don't know the question, so you don't know the answer.
I
technically.
specifically told them, the organizers, not to tell me your question.
Okay.
Okay, so you just thought of this now, right?
Yeah, medyo kinakabahan na ako, tinitignan pa rin, nire-read mo rin ako eh.
So this time,
Diba?
kayong dalawa yung babasahan ko ng isip. Okay, so dito ako sa gitna.
Yeah, oh.
So I want you to think of your question over and over again and think of your answer.
Okay.
Ooh, based on how you are looking at them, I can sense that this question has something to do with something personal for her. Did you ask her, maybe, somewhat, baka malapit, who is the most important person in your life? O parang kanino mo ginagawa mo, parang ganon. You are thinking of a person? Yeah? Are you thinking of the nickname of this person? Yes? Or not?
Di ba pwede full name yung passport?
Alright, good. Easier for me. Think of this person's nickname. Okay, so nickname, maiksi lang to, okay? Think of this name over and over again. Nakita yung lips na gumanam. Letter B.
Ganun ba? Di ba?
Tama?
Wala ang B.
So, this is,
Spell
for
B.
me, this is the most difficult thinking of someone's name.
Oh.
Na iniisip. So, I will make sure that I will guarantee.
Problema ko yan. Alam mo yung Justin, ganyan na ganyan yung asawa ko sa akin. What is the name? B. Ganon.
Think how many letters this nickname has? 4. Alright, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo kung ano yung sinulat ko para may suspense ng konti. Don't read out loud para hindi na maano. Pero feeling ko ito yung tapo na nasa isip niya. Can you guys read this? Even at the back?
Hindi ko rin kilala. Pwede ko naman silipin. Hindi ko rin naman kilala.
Okay.
Ay.
Now, are you thinking of your son? Yes? What is your son's nickname? Loud and clear sa mic.
Babu.
Justin, meron ka bang session mamaya? Kung maraming gusto ko.
Kung gusto niyo maka-close ng deal, tanungin na lang ako.
Oh, ayan. Sino ang next na pwede lapitan? O yan, si Justin. Justin, thank you so much. Give Justin a big round of applause.
Thank you, everybody! Thank you! Let's go!
Our mentalist, grabe. And of course, ladies, all of you will receive a special gift for being participants in our game. We'll hand your special prizes off stage. Diba? Grabe, guaranteed. No? Guaranteed. And that's what Justin showed us, you know?
Ayun, kakatapos lang ng event at nandito na tayo ulit sa room. Yan, pahinga ng konti and nasa high pa rin ako. Pag sa mga performance ba na nanonood dito, ganun ba kayo? After ninyo mag-perform, parang high, masaya. Kasi ang sarap talaga sa feeling, no? Kapag nakakapagpasaya ka, nakakapagpa-amaze ka ng mga tao on stage. At kasama ko pala si Sam YG, siya yung host ngayong sa event na ito. Maraming salamat sa kumuha sa amin, salamat sa tiwala. And meron pa kami ulit next week for Pro Life. Excited na ako naman makita ang mga nandoon sa event next week. And mamaya-maya lang mag-check out na tayo. Pero hindi pa tayo uwing Manila. Nilipat lang tayo ng Airbnb kasi pinag-stay tayo sa Airbnb ng friend natin na si Tony Hilado. Shoutout sa'yo, Boss Tony. Maraming salamat sa pa-Airbnb. Excited na ako makita yung place ninyo dahil sinusulit natin yung pag-stay natin dito sa Cebu. Dahil mamayang gabi naman, meron tayong i-conduct na lecture para naman sa mga magicians dito sa Cebu. So, syempre kasama pa rin kayo. Kaya, tara! And we are here na sa Airbnb ng friend natin. So, tingnan natin, room tour ulit. Tara, room tour tayo. So, pagpasok natin dito sa left side, ang CR. Wow, linis. Shower, may heater. Diba? Ganda dito, tapat lang ng SM Cebu to. Wow. Yan, may sink. May cabinets. Ayos ah. Sink, microwave, ref, merong table. Yan, ito yung bed. Okay. Ayan, syempre may aircon. At ano meron dito sa bintana na to? Uy! May balcony. At may upuan. Pwede tayo tumambay dyan. Diba? Sa morning, kita mo yung view ng Cebu. Yeah. Thank you, Boss Tony.
Later that night.
For coming. Siyempre, abangan natin ng ating lecture ngayon. Everybody please clap our hands for Justin Villar.
Yes! Alright, excited na ba kayo? Yes! And now, I would like to welcome you all to our lecture. Palapakan nyo naman yung mga sarili ninyo. Yan. I also like to welcome yung mga nasa online ngayon. Kompleto na ba sila? Marvin? Okay. Okay ba yung audio natin? Loud and clear? So kung may questions din kayo dyan, mag-type lang. Okay, so let's start! Since most of you, first time din na mag-attend ng lecture ko, no? Gusto kong ipa-understand sa inyo kung ano ba ang mentalism. Okay, sino ba sa inyo dito gusto maging mentalist? Ayan. So ano ba ang mentalism?
Be a young man's game. Stand up for the Hall of Shame.
Thank
Kain.
you so much for attending the lecture, especially Justin Villar. Palakpakan natin guys.
Ay, picture tayo, picture tayo.
We play our roles and ignore the problems.
The next morning.
We play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew